Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Homes Decor and Designs. Today, we will share with you collection of beautiful pergola design with fire pit ideas and how to design a pergola with fire pit for your outdoor space. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. A pergola is a beautiful and versatile structure that can add charm and character to any outdoor space. When combined with a fire pit, it can create a cozy and inviting space for entertaining, relaxing, or simply enjoying the outdoors. In this video, we will discuss the meaning of pergola design with fire pit, answer some common questions about this combination, and provide you with 10 of the best pergola design with fire pit ideas. What is a pergola design with fire pit? A pergola design with fire pit is a type of outdoor structure that combines a pergola with a fire pit. The pergola typically provides shade and shelter, while the fire pit provides warmth and ambience. This combination can create a comfortable and inviting space for enjoying the outdoors, no matter what the weather. Can you have a fire pit in a pergola? Yes, you can have a fire pit in a pergola. However, there are a few safety considerations that you need to keep in mind. First, the pergola should be made of a material that can withstand the heat of the fire. Second, the fire pit should be placed at least 10 feet away from any combustible materials. Third, the pergola should have a roof or other covering to protect people from the sparks and heat of the fire. How tall should a pergola be over a fire pit? The height of the pergola over a fire pit will depend on the size of the fire pit and the desired amount of shade. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 10 feet of clearance between the top of the fire pit and the bottom of the pergola roof. How do you build a pergola around a fire pit? Building a pergola around a fire pit is a relatively simple project that can be completed by most DIYers. The first step is to choose the location for the fire pit and pergola. The pergola should be placed in a spot that gets plenty of sunlight and is protected from the wind. Once you have chosen a location, you will need to build the pergola frame. The frame can be made of wood, metal, or concrete. The next step is to install the roof. The roof can be made of wood, metal, or fabric. Finally, you will need to install the fire pit. The fire pit should be placed in the center of the pergola and should be surrounded by a fire ring or other barrier to prevent sparks from spreading. How do you make a pretty pergola with fire pit? There are many ways to make a pergola with fire pit look pretty. Here are a few ideas. 1. Use flowering vines to climb the pergola. 2. Add hanging plants or baskets. 3. String lights around the pergola. 4. Decorate the fire pit with stones or other materials. 5. Add comfortable seating around the fire pit. The following are some additional tips for designing a pergola with fire pit. 1. Choose the right location. The pergola should be placed in a spot that gets plenty of sunlight and is protected from the wind. 2. Consider the size of the space. The pergola should be large enough to accommodate the fire pit and any seating you plan to add. 3. Choose the right materials. The pergola can be made of wood, metal, or concrete. The fire pit can be made of stone, metal, or terracotta. 4. Think about the style. The pergola and fire pit should complement the style of your home and yard. 5. Add some personality. Use flowering vines, hanging plants, or string lights to add some personality to your pergola. 6. Be safe. Make sure the pergola is built to code and that the fire pit is properly ventilated. And to complete your inspiration and ideas, here are 10 of the best pergola design with fire pit ideas. 1. A rustic pergola with a stone fire pit. 2. A modern pergola with a metal fire pit. 3. A whimsical pergola with a whimsical fire pit. 4. A tropical pergola with a tiki fire pit. 5. A coastal pergola with a driftwood fire pit. 6. A farmhouse pergola with a wood-burning fire pit. 7. A Mediterranean pergola with a clay fire pit. 8. A Japanese pergola with a Zen fire pit. 9. A Moroccan pergola with a brass fire pit. 10. A southwestern pergola with a terracotta fire pit. A pergola design with fire pit can be a beautiful and functional addition to any outdoor space. By following the tips in this video, you can create a space that is both stylish and safe. It is enough for the basics. After this, we will provide you a gallery of beautiful pergola design with fire pit ideas for your inspiration. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.